So this is the spellcasters.
Spellcaster!
Hawkeye.
Hawkeye!
Giant gold sparklers.
Giant gold sparklers.
A razzle dazzle cake.
With the
And the Jubilee selection box. And you got all them in there.
I like golden fireworks. Can I lock?
The silver dart. Okay.
Can I put this?
You pop it in that tube there.
Why is the blue what are you holding?
Light.
Oh, like
Oh, you putting it in?
I'm just using plastic.
Well done.
All of the
Whoa!
That was
Now it.
Olympian wheel.
Are you ready?
Watch it spin.
Whoa! Oh my god, it's mesmerizing. It is mesmerizing.
That was a good one.
Oh, it's still going.
Whoa, that's cool.
What is that one?
Speed demon.
Oh, it's okay. My friend's probably calculating it. Wow! Oh my god!
Wow.
Whoa.
And that was it.
Dragon twist.
Dragon's twist. That's a cool one.
Noises!
The moon up there. Oh, that's got nice colours.
Lovely colours, hasn't it?
Oh yeah, it does. It's quiet. That's a good thing for beyond.
Yeah.
It's quite small. Like, always ramping up a little bit.
Fabulous fountain, this one is.
Yeah. And then we'll.
Oh, it's red.
Yeah.
No, the razzle dazzle.
Oh, look at that.
How many bangs? Wow.
Oh my!
That looks nice.
Oh, it's making me blink so much though. Oh, it's just gonna ruin my eyesight.
Wow.
And it's done.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Get back.
Hide me!
Hide behind you.
Here's
Let's watch the razzle dazzle.
Oh, it's
Wow.
it's going up.
Look at that, Bjorn.
Oh, that was cool.
Did you like that?
Yes.
We're going to do one more. We're going to do the Hawkeye.
And we whipped off.
It's smoky now.
It's nice. It's a nice smell.
Yeah. Wow.
Watch, we'll get to like the coolest one. Stop recording it.
Yeah.
I feel my body vibrating inside of me whenever I hear one. I think the